Well, you probably heard about chia pudding by now. Today I'm gonna share with you my overnight chia pudding recipe made with 4 simple ingredients and all the tips and tricks you need to know for the perfect creamy consistency chia pudding. Let's do it. You will need 4 simple ingredients: almond milk, then maple syrup, pure vanilla extract, and chia seeds. As for the containers, I like to use the 6-ounce glass mason jars, but if you would like to add toppings right into chia pudding container, use the 16-ounce glass jars. To make chia pudding, all you have to do is pour milk into a jar. You can use any milk from a carton, like almond milk, oat milk, coconut milk, but not from a can. You can use dairy milk, any runny liquid milk. I also love oat milk, it is naturally sweet. Now let's add some healthy sugar, and I like to use maple syrup and not honey because it dissolves in cold milk much better. Now let's add a little bit of pure vanilla extract. Last but not least, chia seeds. These little tiny morsels are magical. As soon as you add them to the liquid, they start absorbing the liquids and expanding pretty much immediately. So here is my ratio. I add 3 tablespoons, and using a fork, you start stirring. I prefer it much to a little whisk or a spoon because it is kind of like a whisk and it gets all the chia seeds. So you want to stir and make sure to get the maple syrup from the bottom and the chia seeds and scrape them off the wall because they really get stuck. Now you're going to wait a couple minutes, don't skip, be patient, and you're going to stir again because do you see how chia seeds immediately started soaking up the milk and sticking to the bottom? So if you don't stir it enough, you will end up with very uneven consistency chia pudding in the morning and you will not like me. And you're going to stir one more time, final time, so that's time number 3, and look how they're already evenly distributed in the liquid. So this is your secret to super smooth and creamy chia pudding. Now put the lids on and don't be tempted to shake instead of stirring because that doesn't work, and some lids actually leak, like plastic ones. Refrigerate overnight or for at least 6 hours. And here I have previously made chia pudding. Now let's take a look at it. When you first open it, it might look like it's not perfect, but wait, see, it looks like runny and kind of like there is a blob of it. No, just give it a stir and keep stirring, and don't forget to touch the bottom of the jar because that's where more often than not chia seeds are lumping together. You can always add a little bit more milk, but this is my perfect consistency chia pudding because it is not too dry that it's sticking to your mouth inside. Also, I do much enjoy using whole chia seeds, not the ground chia seeds, because due to consistency, they make the best chia pudding. Now let's dress it up. You can literally add whatever toppings you like on your oatmeal or your muffins. Anything goes. I personally love fresh berries. Today I'm using strawberries and blueberries. Transfer your chia seed pudding into a bowl. That's when that larger jar comes in handy. You can just add the toppings right into a jar in the morning, grab and go to work or to school. Here I'm transferring chia pudding into a bowl. I am going to top it with fresh berries, and then I literally walk into my pantry and see what else is there. Nuts, coconut flakes, chocolate chips if I am feeling extra nice to myself. These are long coconut flakes, and I also love to add goji berries. I just didn't have any on hand today. You can drizzle with more syrup, you can sprinkle with cinnamon, make it pumpkin, I don't know, add some pumpkin. And now a taste test. I truly love chia pudding. It's super creamy and it tastes really good, that vanilla maple flavor. This is not fake YouTube video reaction, very honest. And it is so healthy and good for you. It's full of antioxidants, healthy fats, fiber, and protein. How can you not like it? Hope you guys enjoyed and share it with your friends and family, and see you next time.